Hi, I hope everyone's having a great week so far. I am Dorota, a nutritionist at Urban Yoga Lab, and I'm extremely excited about our upcoming workshop on 22nd of October at 1 p.m. It will be streaming live straight from my kitchen via Zoom, and we will be talking about effective and beyond healthy cooking and planning for our meals for the working week. I invite everyone to jump in and join us in collective cooking. The shopping list that we will be using will be available to you in our messages, in our emails. So please go and do your shopping and come prepared with all the ingredients that we would need for our amazing meals. I look forward to cooking with you.